Hey guys, about a month ago I found the new wireless earbuds on ALIEXPRESS. They are called the UGREEN X6. You know, I haven't had any earbuds from UGREEN company yet, so I was very interested to test them. In addition, the features of UGREEN X6 look very impressive for their price. I have bought these TWS earbuds for only $39, but they have hybrid active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.1, 10mm driver, 6 ENC microphones and gaming mode. As usual, let's start with unboxing, and then we will talk about design, control functions, latency in games, microphone and sound quality. Don't forget to hit the like button under this video. You know, I have bought UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds on ALIEXPRESS, and UGREEN is a Chinese company. However, all inscriptions on the box are in English. This means that the new wireless earbuds are designed for the global market. We can read main features and specifications on the back of the box, such as 35 dB noise cancellation, 50 ms ultra-low latency, 6 mic noise cancellation, and ear-catching sound quality. When you open the box, the first thing you see are the control functions. We will talk about them a little later. And then there are extra silicone ear tips and charging case. Inside the case we have a left and right earbuds. There is also a user manual and USB Type-C charging cable in the package. You know, one of the main reasons why I decided to buy UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds is their design. I like the combination of gray and black colors. The charging case and earbuds look like they are made of metal. Do you agree? However, they are plastic. There is an LED indicator on the front of the case, pairing button and USB Type-C port on the back. The earbuds themselves are not very compact. They are 27 by 28 by 14 mm. They also stick out slightly from the ears. However, UGREEN X6 earbuds are comfortable to wear. They don't fall out of the ears, so I think they are good for sports. By the way, there is IPX5 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about sweat or even rain. The new wireless earbuds from UGREEN have 6 microphones, 3 on each earbud. The first mic is at the bottom, the second is at the top, and the third one is on the inside. There are also 2 pin charging contacts and LED indicator on the earbuds. The touch panels are located under the logo on the outside. Let's talk about control functions. First, you can control the music using the wireless earbuds. A single tap on the right or left earbuds to play/pause the music. If you want to increase the volume, then double tap on the right earbuds. The double tap on the left earbud decreases the volume. There is also a function of switching tracks. Triple tap on the right earbud plays the next song, and triple tap on the left earbud plays the previous song. When somebody calls you on your smartphone, you can answer it through the earbuds with a single tap. To reject the phone call, press and hold the earbuds for about 2 seconds. You can also activate voice assistant on mobile device with long press on the left or right earbuds. UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds have active noise cancellation, and you can activate ANC mode with a press and hold for 1 second. Finally, the new wireless earbuds have gaming mode. You can change from music to gaming mode with a quad tap on the left or right earphones. That's all. You know, UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds have many control functions. This is a big advantage of them. Okay, now I want to check latency in games. First, let's play in PUBG Mobile in music mode. As you can see, there is a little delay, but you can still comfortably play the game. Now I have turned on a gaming mode. To be honest, I don't feel any delay when playing the game. I can only notice it when you slow down the video. UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds have 6 microphones and environmental noise cancellation technology. The manufacturer says that microphone quality is great, but let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds. I turned on a street noise simulation on my computer, so it is quite noisy in my room. However, I hope that you can hear me well. Talking about sound quality of the new UGREEN earbuds. First, I need to mention active noise cancellation. You know, the sound is really different with ANC on and off. I like it more with ANC on, because then the earbuds remove all the noise around you. In addition, I think that earbuds increase the bass in ANC mode. By the way, the bass is really powerful in these earbuds, however the sound is clear. They're probably some of the best earbuds I have listened to lately. The sound is very good. The charging case of UGREEN X6 wireless earbuds have a capacity of 500 mAh, and earbuds battery is 50 mAh. The manufacturer promises 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, but this is with ANC off, and playtime with ANC on is about 5.5 hours. The total battery life with charging case is up to 26 hours. So there are a few things I really liked about these wireless earbuds. First, design. UGREEN X6 have a good combination of black and gray colors, so a charging case and earbuds look very stylish. The build quality is very good. The next feature of these TWS earbuds is control functions. You can switch the tracks, change the volume, activate gaming mode, call voice assistant, etc. UGREEN X6 are also good for gaming. The latency in games is very low. Finally, the sound quality is one of the best among the budget wireless earbuds. The bass is really strong, but the sound is still clear. In addition, the new UGREEN earbuds have one of the best active noise cancellation among the earbuds under $50 that I have tested. By the way, if you don't need ANC, you can buy UGREEN X5 with a very similar design to this one, but Qualcomm chip and aptX support. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.